Imagine this. The power button on your Oppo A95 is broken. The phone has run out of battery, and now you can't turn it back on. Sounds familiar? Don't rush to the service center just yet. I'll show you how to turn on Restart and power off this smartphone without using the physical power button at all. This method really works. I've tested it on hundreds of devices. There is just one small thing to keep in mind. Depending on your Android version, the settings menu may look slightly different from what you see on my screen, but that's absolutely nothing to worry about. You'll find your way around instantly because the overall logic is the same everywhere. Let's get started.